channel. My name is Anwar. So I hope you guys are doing well. Any viewer who is watching me, thank you. This is just my startup video of my journey and also my very first video on my YouTube community. So I hope we will achieve very good goals in YouTube. So friends, if you want to install OBS Studio in your PC, Mac OS, or just in Linux, just simply open your browser and type OBS Studio or OBS download. So the first result you will see with the name link OBS project. So just open that link, in which you can choose your select desired platform and click on download installer, as I have already installed. So I'll just go to my directory, downloads, and click on programs and click on run. It will ask you the permission, no or yes. Click on yes. It will show you the installer pop up. The next thing you need to do, click on next, press next, and this bar will go and finish the process until you have to wait. Till then, do one thing: subscribe my channel and share it with your friends, and do a very beautiful message in description comment box, so I will check it later and I will give some hearts to the new subs and members. My English is weak, so kindly ignore it if I make any mistakes during speaking. So around it, the installation of this software usually takes around, I think on my system it just took 3 minutes and around 15 seconds. And now I am going to click on finish. And yeah, this is the interface of the OBS Studio, and this is completely free. You can use it of any choice, whether you are programmer, gamer, or content creator. You can use it as you like. I'll see you in next one with the new topic. Till then, bye.